Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another motivational cleaning video. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video we've got a speed clean and I'm going to be focusing on the downstairs area. Kata is in nursery today, so I'm going to take the opportunity while I have it to do some cleaning. Nirvana is of course here, but she's no trouble at all. She just sits down and watches TV and snacks and a few snacks, so it's really easy to clean with her. The only thing that I need to do today in the living room, because it's quite clean, is just wax my rug. So I'm going to use this 1001 pet stain remover. I know it's pet stains, but it's really good on hard tough stains. And as you can see, I've got a ravioli stain here, I've got some chocolate stains, and I want to get them all out and give the rug a good basically wash in a sense, because it is honestly really bad. And I will show you guys the dirty water at the end. Honestly, it was shocking. I didn't think it was as bad as it was, but I'm just going to go in a kind of straight motion back and forth all the way over the rug. You do eventually see me kind of going off track, but that's purely because I was going over the really tough stains, because going over it once isn't enough. You have to do it a couple of times for the stain to actually come off, because the bristles aren't strong enough just to take it off in one go. But I'm really happy with how it turned out in the end. It honestly looks brand new, back to how I originally bought it, so I'm really happy that I got this done today.
You've been hiding in the shadows way too long.
So this is what the water looked like after I'd finished doing the rug, and as you can see it is really dirty and really brown, and I was not expecting that, but as you can see it obviously was very dirty and it did need a good clean. So I'm really happy with the results, and this is what it looks like after. As you can see, the white patches on this rug now look white. They were kind of a creamy colour, so it has really brought it out back to brand new, the look that I wanted it to look. And as you can see, that orange stain has gone as well, and all of the chocolate stains. So yeah, I'm really happy with the results. So now I'm going to go ahead and move on into the kitchen. The kitchen again isn't terrible, it just looks a lot messier than what it is. I've got some clean clothes in there that need to be folded, and I also have some dishes I need to do and just wipe over the surfaces, just general cleaning really. And I've really been loving using the Fabulosa disinfectant wipes. I've really been loving those recently, just to kind of clean over everything and just give everything like quick wipe down, especially since we've come back from holidays, because I've actually been really bad. That's why there hasn't been a video up sooner, but I'm a lot better now. You can most probably tell from my voice is kind of groggy, but yeah, feeling a lot better now. So it's time to get the cleaning done. I have been doing little bits, but not as much as I would normally been doing. So I'm going to start by doing the dishes in here, because I feel like if you start with the dishes, it looks like most of the cleaning is done. If that even makes sense, it's just the dishes are kind of the harder, the big bulky stuff in the kitchen when it comes to cleaning. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and tackle the dishes first, then I'm going to wipe over the surfaces and put the dishes away. So these are the wipes that I was on about. If you haven't seen them before, they're by Fabulosa, and I'm using the ones by Wild Rhubarb in the scent Wild Rhubarb. They do a bunch of different scents. I really enjoy using these, and the good thing about using wipes as well is that you don't have any cloths to wash in the end, and you're also not spreading any bacteria around any of the surfaces. I am still a big fan of using cloths, but when you don't want to have loads of cloths to wash at the end of your cleaning, this is a nice way around it, and you're disinfecting the surfaces and cleaning them as well. So yeah, I'm just going to wipe all the surfaces down using these. I'm also going to wipe my utensils down with these as well, because they're really good and they make everything look really shiny. And then once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and pop the dishes away. I've also recently been loving adding fabric softener to the sink and adding boiling water from the kettle, and honestly this really does make the whole kitchen and the living room in my house smell amazing. I don't normally use this fabric softener, I normally use 2 different ones, but this is all I had left. I haven't done a shop for like cleaning products this month, so I need to go ahead and do that, but for now that's the one I'm going to add in. And then I'm also going to go ahead and pop a load of washing in. I've still got loads of washing from our holidays. Honestly, it's like a big mountain of clothes that I need to go through and wash, and washing them isn't the problem, it's folding them and putting them away afterwards. It is honestly a nightmare. But I'm saving that for the next video, guys, because that's going to be a lot longer than this video because I have so much to do. And I also wanted to say as well, thank you all so much for the response I've had on our family vlog. Honestly, I never expected it to do as well as it has. You all seem to have really enjoyed it, and I've had loads of new subscribers as well. So if you are here and watching this video today, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for sticking around. Honestly, it really does mean the world to me. But I honestly couldn't believe the amount of lovely comments were commented on that video. All your questions, your kind messages, everything, I really do appreciate it, and thank you all so much. And thank you so much for watching the video, because normally my vlogs don't do as well as my cleaning videos, but that vlog honestly did better than a lot of my cleaning videos, so it was a really nice surprise, and I'm so glad you guys enjoyed it. But now moving on to the hallway, as you can see, everything from our holidays is literally piled in the hallway. It is cluttering everything up. It is hard to walk, so I'm going to go ahead and tackle this today. Like I said, I haven't been feeling well, so this wasn't done first thing. It should have been, but I had the worst migraine and I was in bed for the last like 3 days straight. So it's nice to actually finally have a walkway in my hallway that has no clutter and no mess. Then once all the clutter and the cleaning is done, I'm going to go ahead and hoover the floor, and then I'm also going to go ahead and hoover the stairs as well.
You take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah. I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is
I'm going to go ahead and go in with some foam freshener. This is in the scent vanilla. I'm not a fan of these foam fresheners, guys, I will be honest with you. They're from the pound shop and they're just no good at all. But it's the only thing that I had left, so I went ahead and used it anyway. But that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
Nothing more to say, let's just waste away. One more time is all we need. A bitter truth to face, not that innocent. We know what we did. I'm a sucker for